Hey you guys, hello, welcome back to the channel to another workout. So today we're going ahead and we're going to be doing a super fast, rapid ab training session. I really hope that you guys like this video, and yeah, we're getting straight into it. We are starting off with some side dips, you guys. You're literally popping your hand on your hip, one foot is going under the other and one is being kept straight. Do not forget about that, and you are going up and down. You guys need to make sure that you can feel the burn here. When you're doing it, you need to kind of be looking for that feeling, and then that's when you're going to be working and targeting that muscle. I usually go ahead and try and do this exercise about 15 to 20 times, but you guys, once you get to like 20 times, you're going to be burning, and then you just swap sides and then you're done, and then I repeat that by 3 times. So the next exercise that we are doing is an absolute ab classic. I think that everybody has done this if you've trained abs before. Literally, we're getting our knees and we are popping them into our chest, and then when you are going outwards, you need to do that really slowly. I have went ahead and I've popped a cushion underneath my bum here because I've told you guys previously I had a little bit of a bum injury over the summer where, yeah, I need to do a story time on this, but I actually really injured myself. I know it sounds funny, but I did. So hence the pillow. So if you guys do want to make yourself a little bit more comfortable, pop a pillow underneath your bum and it makes all the difference. This is an exercise that I had never actually done before, but it is called the arm leg extensions. You're going to be starting off with your left hand. You're popping your hand on your head, and then you're bringing it straight into the opposite knee, touching it and then bringing it straight out, and then you're going to carry on. Keep doing that, I guess, for about 15 to 20 times on one side, and then change over to the opposite side and repeat. Okay, so the next exercise, we are getting our 2 legs and we are just popping them in and out, and we are doing some knee tucks. I honestly don't even know if that is the correct name for this exercise. You're literally just getting your legs and you're bringing them as tight up to your chest as you can, and I try and do this as quickly as possible, and I do it for about 30 seconds and repeat it twice or 3 times if I can, but I do be dying after this, so don't push it too hard, you guys, because you do be out of breath. Now we are lying on the floor, pop those hands up in the air, and then we are bringing our legs up to meet them. My legs are so bad here at the moment, like, oh my god, my flexibility is ridiculous. My legs are not straight, but you guys should be having your legs straight, and then make them meet your legs. And then once again, when you're on the way down, you're supposed to be going down really slowly. I'm actually going down too fast here, so you guys, when you're doing it, go down slower. And then I do like to put my hands behind my head just the whole way down, proper, like extending my body. And sometimes you can do this with a weight as well. If I was actually in a gym, I would do this with a plate, maybe a 5 kg plate or even a dumbbell. I really find that's when I can feel the muscles burning, when I do it with a weight, and oh, it's so hard. So yeah, but since we're at home, we're just going to do it without any equipment, you guys. As you guys can see from my face, I'm absolutely dying after this workout, but I really hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did enjoy this workout, don't forget to smash the subscribe button right down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, guys.